Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today I want to talk about filters and selection groups. Filters, what are they? With filters we can manipulate specific items and or group of items, category of items, and so on. For example, in this drawing, the bars in the middle, I assign to them a specific mark. I can use this mark to select them or change something within them. For the filters, if we go to the view filters, we have this window. If we create a new one, we can choose a name, middle bars, for example. Here, after I gave them a name, I can choose the category of the family that I intend to work on, or in this case manipulate. For example, structural rebars, I can assign one role or specific roles. In this case, I will select the mark, and I will say the mark should be equal to this one, which is I created. I can select OK. Now if I go to visibility and graphics filters, I can add this newly added made filter to this drawing. I will search for it. I found it, then it will be here. So for example, in this case, I want to change the color of this bar. For example, I will make it red. If I click apply, the bar is changed. And if you notice, I have added several more filters here. I can turn them on, turn them off, and also I can hide a specific group of bars. So now the others don't have color, only the middle one are red. For example, I have another filter here. I use this filter to hide the rest of the bars that they are not here, they are not included. If I enable that, I will enable, it should be this one. Yeah, if I uncheck the visibility, it will be hidden in this drawing. So as you can see, these bars in the middle are now hidden. However, I didn't want to do that. I wanted to do this, hide the one that are not around this drawing. So this was the filters. You can work on it and use it. Another thing that we can use are selection group. For example, every time you select more than one item, you will see selection here. For example, if I select this one and hit save, I can give it a name, bars. Okay. So for example, if I go to visibility filters, I can add the same selection filter that I made here. For example, I will hide them. In this case, the bars are hidden. I can also go to manage and selection, load that thing that I just made and select them. If I need to select this selection group is now saved. I can also edit this selection. If I go to edit and find my selection and hit edit, and now I can either remove one of them from the selection or add to the selection. I can add this one. I can finish selection. Okay, and now The newly added bar is within the selection. Thank you for watching, and if it was useful for you, hit us subscribe. Bye.